how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. First, open your browser and then click these 3 points here and then go to history and now go to clear browsing data and go to advanced. Now scroll down until you find site settings and select for all time and click clear data. Now just open your task manager, and to make sure your browser is not running in your background, just end it from task manager, and that's it. After that, just open it again and try, and if that doesn't fix it, restart your PC, click shutdown, turn it off, and then turn it on again. I hope that can help you and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.